Welcome to Schedule Anywhere. This video will show you how to edit default settings for your Schedule Anywhere account. To do this, go to Setup, Company Maintenance, Settings. These settings affect all users in your account and can only be accessed by account administrators. The first section contains some general settings. You can select the day and enter the time your work week begins. This information is used to calculate the number of hours scheduled in a work week. You can see this information if you double-click a day on the schedule, or if you are reviewing a cover or swap request and the employee exceeds their desired number of hours in a work week. You can tell Schedule Anywhere how to account for hours if a shift spans a work week. You have three choices: distribute hours between work weeks, assign hours to the work week when the shift begins, or assign hours to the work week when the shift ends. For example, if the start of the work week is Monday at 12 a.m. and an employee is scheduled to work from 11 p.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday, you can either include all 8 hours in the week when the shift begins or when the shift ends, or split the hours between work weeks. You can also specify the minimum number of hours between work days. This information is used when approving cover or swap requests to ensure an employee has a long enough break between workdays. If a swap or cover request infringes on the set minimum time between workdays, the manager will receive an alert. The second section contains settings for time-off requests. You can enter the start of day for time-off requests. This time is used to set the default 24-hour period for all day time-off requests. The default start of day is 12 a.m., so all day time-off requests span midnight to midnight. Some 24-hour businesses may consider 7 a.m. the start of a workday. If you change the start of day to 7 a.m., an all-day time-off request will start at 7 a.m. on one day and end at 7 a.m. the next day. You can also edit how time-off requests appear on the schedule. You can change the default name, abbreviation, information to show, and color. If you plan on integrating Schedule Anywhere with other software systems, you can enter an optional labor pay code. The third section allows you to set some account restrictions. The first area limits what shared managers can do within schedules. Administrators and schedule owners can make any schedule changes. However, those managers who have shared access to a schedule can be prevented from performing certain administrative and schedule maintenance functions. For example, shared managers may be restricted from removing employees from a schedule or adding or editing shift definitions. The second area can limit which employees a manager can access. A manager can be limited to employees within their location and/or department. The third area requires employee IDs to be entered when adding a new employee. Employee IDs are helpful in larger organizations where employees may have the same name. They are also used as a unique identifier for an employee when integrating Schedule Anywhere with other software systems. The fourth section covers single sign-on. If enabled on your account, it will allow users to authenticate with Schedule Anywhere and other applications and websites by using just one set of credentials. If you are an administrator or account owner and are interested in single sign-on for your Schedule Anywhere account, please contact us at 1-800-874-8801. The final section covers iCalendar. If your organization has turned on the iCalendar feature, you can create an iCalendar feed where you can view your personal work shift assignments in popular calendar applications such as Outlook, Google Calendar, and Apple Calendar. Remember, these settings affect all users in your Schedule Anywhere account. Thank you for your interest in Schedule Anywhere, the leading employee scheduling app. For more information, please go to scheduleanywhere.com or call 1-800-874-8801.